Still flooding blood donation centers to help the victims, and people in Houston are also answering that call for help.
Yeah, they are. Health reporter Haley Hernandez joins us now with a look at how much blood local blood centers have.
It's good to hear, right?
Yes.
So I did get off the phone with the Gulf Coast Regional Blood Center, and they say that during the summer months, they typically see a big drop in blood donations. But they said that Monday there was an increase of blood donors by 18%. This gift of life is likely a result of Florida's tragic loss.
Blood banks have a certain amount of blood they need to supply local hospitals with every day. When mass trauma takes priority like it's doing at Orlando, blood banks have to beg neighbors near and far for help. The generosity from other blood banks, cities, and communities is what helps trauma victims to survive, and then hospitals can continue supplying all patients with blood they need to recover. Immediately after the mass shooting at the Pulse nightclub that left 49 people dead and more than 50 people injured, calls went out to the Orlando community to replace blood that was being used. That call was answered by dozens braving the Florida heat to give.
People don't care. They don't know their blood type. All they want to do is stand in line and help.
The Gulf Coast Regional Blood Bank says as long as we here in Houston have enough to supply our local hospitals, we can collect more to help others. And with an 18% increase at Gulf Coast Regional Blood Center, it looks like Houston has a helping heart.
Well, there has been an uptick in Houston donors. The Gulf Coast Regional Blood Center says they are still pleading for donations of various types of blood. Remember that every type matters to save lives. Now, Thursday at 6 a.m., we have a kickoff for the KPRC blood drive at 8181 Southwest Freeway. All donations are going to the Gulf Coast Regional Blood Center, and you can also, of course, as always, donate at their neighborhood blood centers as well.
So it's encouraging to see the response.
Yeah.